So 4 months ago, I planted some russet potatoes here, and today I think it's ready to be harvested. So let's check a look and see what's going on. So you know your potatoes are ready to be harvested when everything is withers away and dry up. Okay, so let's look through. Oh, there go one. Oh, wow! Look at this. Oh, there's a small one. Wow, that's some beautiful potatoes. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at this, guys. More potatoes. More potatoes. So you guys want to learn some gardening tips, just subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. All right, out.